Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty, and as you can tell by the title, we're going to do a chit chat get ready with me for date night. So I'm super excited for this video, and you know the drill. Let's get right into it. Okay, beauties, I'm going to start off with my foundation, and I'm going to go in with the Tarte Face Tape in the shade Medium Golden. And I'm just going to put that on my face to get us an even coat. So I have on this little card next to me a little bit of topics that I want to talk about since it's a chit chat get ready with me, obviously. So the first topic I want to talk about is the makeup. I don't know if I'm gonna do a natural look today or like a glam with like color and stuff. Obviously it's a date night, so like the go-to would be natural, but like a colorful look would be more fun. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. Honestly, I might just do a natural just to keep it easy, and it'll be a lot quicker to make sure that I'm on time. Don't want to be late. So yeah, I'll probably just do a natural glam today. I love this foundation. It is so good. And I found my shade like first try, which is like really hard to do if you know anything about foundation. Okay, and now that we're done with foundation, I'm going to go off camera to do my eyebrows just because I really like to get into details and it's kind of hard to talk while I do that. So yeah, I'm going to go off camera and do that really quick. And I'm back with my eyebrows did, and now the next step in our routine is going to be concealer, and I'm going to go in with my Day 1 Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium, and our next topic to talk about is going to be how I'm going to do my hair. So this is date night, and I want it to be a little bit special, so I was thinking about curling it, and I also was thinking about curling it because I just got this new curling iron, so it'll be like a first impressions, and I can let you guys know if I like it, if it was good, if I recommend it, all of that good stuff. So stay tuned for the hair portion of this where I try out a new curling iron. And now that my concealer is all blended out, we're going to move on to bronzer. I'm going to take my Morphe bronzer in the shade Devante and a slightly angled brush for the face. And I'm going to put that in a 3 on my face. So our next topic is going to be my outfit. I do not know what I'm going to wear, which is kind of worrying, speaking as I have a certain time that I need to be ready and I'm also filming. So we'll see how that goes. And I will definitely film the chaos that will happen in my closet soon because I don't know about you, but it takes me forever to decide what to wear. Even if it's like a scrub day, I'm like, do I wear sweatpants? Do I wear leggings? Like, this is a hard decision. Not actually. First world problems, I swear. So now that our face is bronze, I'm going to move on to eyeshadow. And for the first time ever on this channel, I'm not using the James Charles palette and I'm not using the Jack & Hill palette. I'm actually going to use the Jeffree Star Thirsty palette. And I'm going to use these two beautiful brown shades right here. And I'm just going to blend that into my crease just to create like a natural shadow and not be like too much makeup and still keep that natural glam. So yes, let's go into that with a small blending brush. So now that I have those two shades blended out on my eyelid, I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go into this shade from the Jeffree Star palette. And it's just a little bit darker of a brown so we can deepen up that crease just a little bit while still keeping it glam and natural. Actually, I take that back. I'm going to go in with a pencil brush instead of the same brush that I used for this shade, just to keep it a little more detailed so I can control what I'm doing. So yeah, into this shade, into the crease. And I'm going to take that under my eye for a little bit of a smoke. And now that our eyes have a nice subtle brown smoky eye, my subscribers know the drill. I'm going to fast forward through mascara, liner, and lashes, and I'll be right back. And now I'm back with lashes. I can say this time and time again, lashes are just the most amazing thing in the world. They just pull a look together and they make me feel so confident, and it's just like one of my favorite steps in the makeup routine. Speaking of makeup routine, our next step is going to be highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Becca Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm going to take Champagne Pop on the tops of my cheeks. And I know what you're thinking.
Haley, where are you going on the date? We've talked about every single thing about the date, but where you're going.
I am going to the movies to see Aladdin, and we're probably going to get dinner before, but it's going to be like a casual date, so we'll probably get like fast food or something, but I'm really excited to see the movie, and I'll let you know what I think after. And now that highlighter is done, we're going to go in with setting spray. Just spritz that a little bit. This is the Urban Decay All-Nighter, by the way. And the look is complete. Alright, beauties, and now that the makeup is complete, we can move on to the next thing, which is going to be hair. My hair looks
not date ready.
So I'm going to move you into my bathroom so we can curl it. And now we're in my bathroom. So I took out the scrunchie and I brushed my hair through with a little bit of oil just to add some protection for the heat damage. And then I'm heating up the curling iron right now. So this curling iron was sent to me by the company DUVOLLE, and it's the professional titanium curling wand in the DUVOLLE Pro series. It's the 32mm size, and I'm just going to curl my hair with it, check up throughout the night to see how the curls last, and then I'll give my final review on how I like the product, just to give you a full and honest review on how I like this. I wouldn't want to promote a product and not actually like it, so I want to give you guys a full honest review on it. So yeah, once it's done heating up, we're just going to curl my hair, and I will give you my opinion on the whole process of curling and how I liked it with this wand. Okay, now that all the beautiful curls are complete, I saved this one piece just to curl it on camera, just to show you like how the whole thing works. So I take the curling iron, it's on 360 degrees. I'm just gonna take the little piece of hair and I'm gonna curl it going outward so it like frames my face. I'm gonna take that, place it on the curling wand, wrap it around. And with this curling wand, it literally takes seconds. I love that about this one. And then you release it, shake it a little bit, and you have the perfect curl. So yeah, I just wanted to show you that before I completed the entire hair. I'm going to take a little bit of hairspray and then I'm going to brush them out, and then I'll come back for the final look. So this is the final look with the DUVOLLE curling iron. It gives you like a really nice soft beach wave while still keeping it a little bit natural. So I really love that about this curling iron. And I will still check up throughout the night on how the curls last. But for now, my review is it works really well and I recommend it. Okay guys, and now it's time to pick our outfit. So I lined up a few outfits over there. I'm just going to try them on and then I'm going to see how they look. And then that's how we will choose what outfit to wear. So here goes outfit number 1, changing right now. And now I have the outfit on. So these are just light wash shorts and then a sort of maroon top with spaghetti straps. It's very summer vibes and very cute for a date night. But I don't know, I still want to try on the other 2 options first. So yeah, this is outfit number 1. Changing into outfit number 2 right now. And now we are in outfit number 2. These are a little bit darker wash shorts with some rips in them, and then a black belt, and then this little top. This is Angel across the front, and it's, ooh, how do I film this? Okay, it's a low, like, cut back. So yeah, this is outfit number 2. Now we're gonna try on outfit number 3. And so this is outfit number 3. It is a striped tube top with the same short and belt combo as we did in the last one. And I don't know, guys, I really like this one. I think it's the one, but comment down below the outfit you like the most, whether it was the red top with the spaghetti straps with the light wash shorts, or the black top that said angel across the front, or this one, my favorite. So yeah, I just got a text that he's almost here, so we gotta go, and we'll go on date night. We ended up having the whole theater to ourselves, so naturally we messed around a little bit. Yeah. Uh-huh. Alright, beauties, so it's the next morning. I've already showered and I did my makeup, obviously, but I just wanted to check back in and do the outro. Aladdin was an amazing movie. They had twists from the original movie that made it really interesting, and the effects were really cool, so I really recommend you guys go see it. And as for the curls, I already washed my hair, so you can't see them now, but they lasted the whole night. The DUVOLLE curling iron was really amazing, and I also did add hairspray, so that might have contributed, but I really do recommend you go check them out. The specific curling iron I used was the 32mm Pro Series titanium curling one, and that on their website goes for $115, but I have a coupon code, which I'll put on the screen right here, which will get you 70% off. The link will be in the description, and I really recommend you guys go check them out. And with that, I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and comment down below any other videos you'd like to see from me on HD Beauty. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys, I'll see you next time.